Moana stood at the edge of a deserted city, hidden within the heart of a sprawling island. Although foliage had claimed much of this concrete jungle, the grandeur of its forgotten structures captivated her. This was a place untouched by time, and its silence was only broken by the melodious whispers of the ocean breeze. Beside her stood her immense companion, Tonga, a gentle giant of the sea. With scales that shimmered like polished jade, Tonga towered above the treeline, his eyes mirroring the clear blue sky. His presence was both comforting and imposing, a contrast that spoke to Moana's adventurous spirit. This city used to be the heartbeat of the island, Moana mused, running her fingers over a weathered statue. Now, it's a shadow of its former self. Tonga rumbled in agreement, his powerful tail sending ripples through the small lagoon that had formed in the city's center. The water shimmered with a life of its own, whispering tales of the past that only Moana seemed to understand. "The ocean speaks," Moana said, her voice tinged with awe. Throughout her many adventures, Moana had formed a bond with the ocean that transcended words. It guided her, offered wisdom, and protected her. Today was no different. As Moana and Tonga explored the labyrinth of streets, they stumbled upon murals that depicted scenes from long ago, stories of the island's people and their harmonious relationship with the sea. Despite its abandonment, Moana felt the pulsing energy of history beneath her feet. Suddenly, Tonga paused, his gaze fixed on the horizon. Moana turned, following his line of sight, and gasped. There, emerging from the shadows, was a structure untouched by time. Its domed roof gleamed in the sunlight like a pearl, hinting at the treasures that lay within. Driven by curiosity, Moana and Tonga made their way toward the structure, the ocean whispering its encouragement. The entrance was adorned with carvings of marine life. Turtles, dolphins, and fish swirled together in a dance frozen in stone. As they stepped inside, Moana was taken aback by the vibrant colors that seemed to animate the space. Precious stones embedded in the walls reflected the sunlight in a kaleidoscope of hues, guiding them to a central chamber. Here, they found a vast mosaic map of the ancient sea routes once traveled by the island's explorers. "This is incredible," Moana breathed, excitement and wonder lighting up her face. "We have to preserve this." Determined to protect the island's legacy, Moana knew this would be her new mission. With Tonga by her side and the ocean's guidance, she would restore the island's history for future generations to discover and cherish.